Hello, welcome to the week 4 update on the kitchen scrap garden. We have grown a forest of greens. And I thought today we could make a bit of salad from all this. Here are the carrots. And there are onions in the back. Look at how tall they are. Onions. And our beet greens right there. Yep. So I thought we'd make some salad. Get my little scissors. See what we can do with these. All right. Let's see. Do a little timber. There's one. So we're going to put, here's our bowl. Just going to put some carrots in there. And maybe some beet greens. We'll have to wash these. We'll have to wash these when they're all picked. So, see how red the stems are? Those were red beets. Let's see, we'll pick some onion. Oh, here we go. A little bit of onion to chew on. What else? I think we'll take some more carrot. Yep, there. Look at that. Oh, I can tell you, I can smell those onions. My goodness. What did I just do? Oh. There we go. Oops. Do we have any other beet greens we could get here? Sure. And that is the beginning of our salad. We'll have to go downstairs and get some more. See you then.